What's up, y'all? It's Kiki.
And Ray.
And we are
Team Reese Travels.
Look, we try to leave him out. I knew he was coming. I knew he was coming. Listen, we are Team Reese Travels, and what are we doing, right? I think we switching it up a little bit today, right?
We're doing a challenge, food challenge.
We are. This is the first. Is this the first challenge we ever participated in?
No, I think it's the second one. RJ, come over here.
Oh, is it? You sure? I don't remember no other challenges. But we are doing the food costs too much challenge created by
Cooking With The Catrons.
Cooking With The Catrons. You already know what it do. That's Cooking With. Y'all know who that is. Listen, we are going right here into Second Ventil because we have to find some items that are on sale, and we have an idea of what we want. And let me tell you what we want to cook. It ain't usually on sale, so I don't know. We're gonna see. RJ gonna help us find some stuff. Yeah. What's wrong with you? What you doing? Oh, really?
How about some Cheetos cookies?
For the challenge?
Yeah.
Cheetos cookies? What you think, Ray?
I don't know about Cheetos cookies.
I don't know about that either. First of all, Cheetos and cookies ain't never on sale either. We gonna let y'all see what we pick up in the grocery store, see what you can guess what we making for this food costs too much challenge. Right. Let's go. All right. Y'all see that snow crab clusters on sale, $6.99 a pound. We're saving $18 a pound, y'all. They are on sale through August the 1st. We just made sale item number 1. Sale item number 2. We gotta head back over this way to the produce because we forgot one thing over here. There we go. Thank you.
Is this a free sample?
No, don't eat that. All right, Indiana sweet corn. 2 for $1, saving 58 cents. Sale item number what?
3.
Number 3. And we have sale item number 4. Eckrich sausages. They are on sale for $3.29. Save $1.70. We love a sale, y'all. Yeah, we always get the turkey because we're trying to do less fat. I actually haven't been eating this sausage too much lately because I know it's got a lot of sodium, but we're gonna get the turkey. All right, so all the ingredients that we need are in the basket. We get ready to check out. Everything else we need is already at home. So we'll see you at the house. Y'all ready to cook? What y'all think we make? Drop it in the comments. Let's go cook. I'm back. I'm home. Let's get cooking. Actually, y'all, we can't even cook because Ray's in the bathroom, so let's wait for him. Oh, hey, how you doing?
Don't be a jerk.
I'm not a jerk. Let's cook. Did y'all figure out what we cooking? I mean, if you haven't guessed by now, we are cooking a seafood boil.
Now that's a boil.
All right, so let's take a look at all of our ingredients. We got everything we need, y'all. It's time to cook. Corn. Turkey smoked sausage. We got shrimp. We got crab legs. And some things we have here in the house. Seafood addicts because spice addicts.
Why not?
Who making a boil without their seafood addicts?
Just crazy.
Where they do that at? We got some butter. We got some Old Bay. We got some slap your mama seasoning.
Don't do it for real.
And we got, please don't slap your mama. And we got some minced garlic. And something else I forgot.
Hey, fun fact. If you put these in the microwave for about, I think it's 10 minutes, you can easily just cut out the ends and it pushes right out. Ah.
And we got some lemon.
You can't juggle with one lemon.
You want me to do 2? No. That's somebody else's thing.
I was gonna say something else.
Oh.
This is a family show. Anyway.
So I was gonna say that I hope you saw that receipt. I just showed the receipt, y'all. We saved a total of 40. What are you doing?
Sorry, I was. We was cooking and I was looking at the turkey. Sorry, so go
Here you
ahead.
go. No on that.
No, what?
We saved a total of $46.31, y'all. $46.31. So we have 4 sale items. The corn was on sale, the shrimp was on sale, the crab was on sale, and the sausage was on sale. Sausages. All right, so what you want to do? I'm gonna put this shrimp in some water. Somebody need to slice up the sausage and somebody need to get the corn shucked. So what you want to do?
Clarify. I want to clarify my last statement about the corn. Please don't put your corn in there for 10 minutes. You might wind up with popcorn. Put it in there for 4 minutes.
Whoa,
cut
big
off,
difference.
That is big difference. Cut off one end and you just kind of squeeze it on out.
All right, so you gonna put the corn in there for 4 minutes?
Yeah.
Now I cleaned that microwave today, so don't be making a mess in that microwave now. We'll be back.
All right, y'all, so you put it in there for 4 minutes. Please, unless you got hands that don't burn, use something to take it out with. You can get I think somebody use a wet towel to wrap around there. So you take them out, put it on a cutting board. You don't want to cut the receipt.
Please.
Cut, what end did they use? So you can cut either end. So you'll cut the end off. Took some of the corn with it. You don't want to take none of the corn with it. And then you're supposed to be able to just squeeze it out. Uh-oh, I think I should have cut the other end. Uh-oh. Yikes. Yeah, that's hot.
You want a towel?
Just coming out. Yeah, I need a towel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
Just a question.
A few moments later.
Or if that don't work, y'all, just peel it still. But you can see how the husk and stuff is not on there.
Yeah, it's peeling off.
And then I also saw somebody use a toothbrush to go over it with. Now,
use a new toothbrush.
Yes, I was going to say, please use a new toothbrush, not your own. Let's just, if this your corn, then, you know, don't worry about it.
Still don't use your toothbrush even if it is your
corn.
But
you can see the difference.
Oh yeah, it did. You can tell it's coming off.
Yep.
Like these strings normally would be all in between the corn kernels, and it's all coming off with the grease.
So this is approximately.
All right then.
This is approximately 4.5 minutes that was in there.
Not the Reese's coming through with a cooking hack. That ain't even our specialty. All right. Good job, Ray.
But it is hot, so be careful.
Yeah. All right, enough of that. I'm gonna get a little bit of garlic butter going, so when the shrimp thaw out, I can toss them in the garlic butter, because I want my shrimp to have lots and lots of flavor.
Yes.
What?
Rinse them off. I like the way you work them crab legs, girl. Yes, sir. Ooh, get in between.
All right, so for this meal, we are gonna use this Ninja Foodi. This Ninja Foodi is several years old, y'all. I would love to be able to replace this Ninja Foodi with a brand new Instant Pot. Wouldn't that be wonderful, right? Wouldn't that be absolutely amazing if we were able to replace our outdated Ninja Foodi with a brand new Instant Pot? To be able to say just how much more amazing the food comes out when you use a brand new Instant Foodi versus an outdated, wait a minute, a brand new Instant Pot versus an outdated Ninja Foodi.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, don't be calling it. Don't be
Listen,
saying it
this
too
mug done got us through some years. Got us through some hard times. Listen here. Listen here. That thing did the job. But we would still love to have a granddaughter. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna start at the bottom with the corn.
Y'all, Kiki makes some hexified green beans in this thing.
I do. I love making green beans in this thing. Got some corn. And what I like to do, I like to layer stuff up with seasoning. So I'm gonna lay everything up. We're gonna do a little of that. We got some seafood addict, of course.
You gotta order some more. Don't, hey.
I know, I need to slow it down. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Slap Your Mama, because Slap Your Mama is really salty, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of that.
That's a scant.
All right, just a scant. Little bit of Old Bay.
Oh, that's okay.
Well, maybe a medium.
Okay, hold on.
Old Bay.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna do that. All right, we got that. Now we got some sausage.
You can just pick the whole paper. That's why I put it on the paper.
Oh, look at you. You was thinking it through. Well, thank you.
And then just let them slide on down in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see it.
Come back with some more seasoning. Every time you do a lay food, got to do a lay season. We season our food around here. It's a little dark. Let's give them some light food.
Now it's playing, y'all.
Hey, you know what? Come here for a second. If you notice, we ain't got no measurements for nothing. We just, you know, season until it smell right? Or till the ancestors say that's enough. That's what you do. We ain't got no, we don't have no measuring, nothing. I mean, we got them, but do we use them? Not so much.
Sorry, y'all.
Got a little bit of a mix. It is time to put the lid on. We are going to use the pressure cooker lid for this. I'm going to make sure it is turned to seal. Got that right on top of that bad boy. Close it up. It's still on seal. Give it a little, hit the steam button. And we're going to put that up to 20 minutes. And hit start. And that's it. It's gonna let us know when it's ready. So we will be back when it's ready. You excited, right? I'm excited. I love a good crab boil. What it look like to you? Look pretty tasty, don't it? Look pretty tasty. All right, one last step to this. Got some lemon here, cut it in half, squeeze some lemon juice over everything. Just set it up.
I just want to say this lemon squeezy, this easy peasy lemon squeezy thingy, it is a great buy.
That was a great buy.
I think we got it at TJ Maxx for maybe $10, and it comes in handy.
Because that whole seafood boil was $29 worth of groceries, y'all. Aside from the few little things that we had in the house already, like the butter, the garlic, you know, the staple items, the seasonings.
Cooking with the Catrons seasoning.
That's right. That's a staple item. Catch that. The boil, the actual boil items, the corn, the sausage, the crab, and the shrimp, $29. That was what my bill was total, right? $29 total. That was an amazing food. Look at Ray back there eating the boil. How you just gonna be sitting out there? You eat the tail? You always eat shrimp tails, y'all. Drop it down in the comments. Anybody else eat shrimp tails, or is this just a Ray thing? We gotta get out of here because food is too good. We gotta eat it. Did you try that yet?
Mm-mm.
Let's try it.
Remember that kiss from the other day?
You clown me. Anyway, y'all. All right.
You kissed me the other day on that
All right. They don't even know that.
They know. They saw you. It's evidence.
So who are we tagging today? First up, we're gonna tag Quintina Cherie. You've been tagged.
Tripping with Dre and Michelle.
All right, Tripping with Dre and Michelle, you have been tagged. And last but not least, Miranda of I Love Cruising Roy. We know you love to cook, girl. We know you love to cook. So, you know, we're gonna tag you too. Come on, jump on this challenge. Now I know we late. I'm sorry. You might not have time to get your video out before the deadline, but maybe you will. I don't know. You know what? I'm not gonna even don't underestimate the people of YouTube, cause they're. What are you doing? You trying to take my tooth out? Yeah. So we gotta hurry up and get our video up because we literally just got the stuff cooked and everything. We have 48 hours to get the video edited, posted, and everything. So we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna eat some food first. We'll see you in the next video. Back to Vegas content right after this. And until the next time, Team Reese.
Oh.